Okay guys, quick tutorial on the airbrush. Just going to quickly show you how I dismantle it, so it's very easy. This is the Infinity CR90. Excuse me for my throat, I've got a bit of a cold in it. So you unscrew this, you get different colour ones with it, and you just unscrew this area at the back here, which will take out the needle. So there you have the needle. And at the front, you just unscrew the nozzle bit, and then you have a little nozzle inside. Take that out. Here you go. And you can take this off too, the cup, gravity cup. And then you're left with this. And then here you get a tool with the airbrush. You just put this in here, just slightly push it towards you. There you go. And then it quickens it. Leave that how it is, the spring in there. And then this is the trigger, and you can go ahead and clean inside. I'll show you. I'll put it all back now. See how easy it is to put back. So you put it in like that, and you screw this back. Make sure the trigger comes back. So get your tool and just slightly tighten it. It doesn't have to be too tight. And then you get your needle. Then you just put it through very carefully. Oops, there you go. Put it through. There it goes in the front. And then you can get your nozzle. Put that through. And then that can just go on top, and you can screw it. And then you can just test it slightly up. That's fine. Then you get your screw. Just push it in slightly, not have to put too much force on it. And then slightly tighten it, and then you can screw this back. And then you add the tail. That's it. There you have it. Very simple to do that.